കുറേ നാളുകൾക്ക് ശേഷം ഞാനൊരു വീഡിയോ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാണ്. കുക്കിംഗ് വീഡിയോ ഒന്നും ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇടാറേ ഇല്ല, സമയം കിട്ടാറില്ല, പിന്നെ മടിയുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഞാൻ ശ്രീലങ്ക പോയിരുന്നു. ഞാനും ഹസ്ബൻഡും കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ കുറച്ച് നാൾ ശ്രീലങ്കയിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആ സ്ഥലം കുട്ടികളെ കൊണ്ട് കാണിക്കണമെന്ന് കുറേ വർഷമായിട്ട് എനിക്കൊരാഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോഴാണ് അത് സാധിച്ചത്. അപ്പോൾ പോണ വഴിക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു ഹിൽ സ്റ്റേഷനാണ്, ന്യൂറേലിയ എന്ന് പറയും. പോകുന്ന വഴിക്ക് ഒരു ടീ ഫാക്ടറി വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. അത് എടുത്തപ്പോഴാണ് അവർ ഇത്രയും ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നപ്പോൾ അതൊന്ന് വീഡിയോ ആക്കാമെന്ന് തോന്നി ഞാൻ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തതാണ്. നമുക്കിതെല്ലാം എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തു തന്ന പെൺകുട്ടിയുടെ പേര് ചതുരിക എന്നാണ്. ഒത്തിരി ഗേൾസിനെ അവിടെ നിർത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട് ഇതെല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞു തരാനായിട്ട്. അതിലൊരാളാണ് നമുക്കിത് എല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞു തന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ കാണണം.
Yes, silver and golden only this tip. Okay, this room 100% natural process, only dried by sun. Golden, silver, 100% natural process, only dried by sun. Golden, silver, and green tea including more tannin than the other teas. You know about tannin? Tannin is natural vitamin. Okay. So we including caffeine like that, tea including tannin. Okay. Golden, silver, and including more tannin. Tannin is reactive against diabetes, cholesterol, heart problem, losing body weight, dropping antioxidant. Golden, silver, and green tea very healthy tea. Medicine tea. Sri Lanka still we plum tea used by hand manually because we need to take most younger tea leaves. Okay? Mostly women plum tea leaves. One woman can pluck about 25 to 30 kilos per day. Yeah. Now it's special season for tea. You can see smaller shoot like this smaller shoot. The smaller shoot grow up around 7 days as new leaf. Every 7 days plum tea leaves.
Like this.
Yeah, you can see this.
Yeah.
Smaller shoot.
Yeah,
Like
it grows.
yeah. Every 7 days plum tea leaves. Okay, here we producing plum tea. This is process steps. It's called winnowing. Winnowing means reducing moisture of tea leaves. After plum tea leaves, bring the factory is fed on this one. You can see blue color big fan. After switch on this fan, normal layer low into the tea leaves. Dry up 18 to 20 hours. 20 hours dry. Every over 6 by 6 hours, we go to turn by hand. Turn by hand. In here we can reduce around 45 to 50% moisture. Half moisture. As an example, when we put here 10,000 kilos of fresh tea leaves, after 20 hours becomes around 5,000 kilos. Half moisture. After winnowing process, that winner tea leaves collect the basket and pass to the next step. Supporting this should directly connect downstairs roller machine. Sir James Taylor, father of Ceylon, immigrated to Sri Lanka 1867. He was a Scotsman. We call him as father of the second step is called rolling. In this process, we are making different taste of black. Because as tea producers, we are producing for world requirement. Because person to person, country to country, preparation is different. Someone like to drink light taste, someone like to drink strong taste. We are following a special rolling method. Those are the rollers that we all value world black. Most of countries very cleaner. They all British machine, but it's still work. After winnowing process, 250 kilos of the tea leaves we apply first roller supporting this first shoot. First roller rolling 20 minutes without pressure, no pressure, smoothly rolling. It is rolling like this, it is rolling like a ball, like a roll. We call unbroken leafing. Tea leaves not broken and also cells not broken. We can get very light taste character. After rolling, roll tea leaves we take out from the dough. We pass to the shifter machine, separate size. Those shifters consist three different sizes of measure: bigger, medium, and small. You can see first tea leaves and small tea leaves. The first tea leaves, most younger tea leaves, smaller than other tea leaves. Most younger tea leaves fall to the measure, but other rest particles coming in front of the measure. As same as 250 kilos of withered tea leaves, we apply second roller, supporting this second shoot. Second roller rolling 20 minutes with little pressure, touch pressure. Second time, tea leaves start to break like this, broken grains. Tea leaves broken and also cells broken, we can get a strong taste character. After rolling, roll periods, we take out from that dough, we pass to the second shifter, separate size. Finally, all the rest, we pass to the third roller, supporting this green color conveyor belt. Third roll rolling 20 minutes with full pressure, high pressure. Till it's broken in small pieces, we can get very strongest taste color to the tea. Especially, we fermented only black tea because black tea we use as a beverage. Green tea, silver, golden, we don't ferment because green tea, silver, golden we use as a herbal tea, medicine. Only black tea fermentation, green tea without fermentation. After 2.5 hours fermented tea, we must dry. Let's go now. You can see drying process. And golden little bit is strong. I will explain. This was the dryer machine. Dryer machine made in Ireland, 1938. After fermentation process, fermented tea dried here 22 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius. After drying, you can see tedious and younger stems convert into black color, hardy stems convert into brown color. Brown color hardy stem don't use to drink. Back to the tea plantation as compost, fertilizer. Okay. Stem separate, we have two machines. I will show you later. Black color tea, brown color stems. The dryer machine consists of two sections, this side chamber and behind side heater. It was in iron. This is furnace. Very special secret in this tea process, we are using only firewood as dry wood. We never use gas or electricity because firewood will give natural aroma, natural taste to the tea. Especially we are using rubber wood. You know rubber wood? You can see rubber latex like this. Yes, rubber latex. Rubber is burning easily, burning long time and give high temperature. Okay? Rubber is recycled crop. Every 25 to 30 years we remove them and replant it. That's why we can use dry fuel, but we can use any other jungle wood also. Mostly we are using rubber. Okay? There's a fan which connects with dryer. The dryer machine take only heat from this furnace. As fall down, the smoke go outside to that silver color chimney. The smoke never mix with tea, only goes with the heat from this furnace. As fall down, as we use as a compost back to the tea plant. And you can see the plantation. This is all a tea plantation. Golden plantation. Golden. Golden, yes, different. Golden and silver different tea plant like this. Golden, silver and black tea and green tea same plant, but golden, silver different, two different tea plants. This is final step. Steps, big stems and small stems. Small stems like a hair. Small stems separating supporting this machine we call fiber mat machine. There are 6 plastic rollers. After switch on this machine, plastic rollers get firm up and work as electromagnet. Small stem is stick to the roller and go away from the machine. Tedious and hardy stems heavy. Tedious and hardy stems coming in front of the machine. Bigger stems separate, we have another modern machine I will show you later. And this small. Bigger tea leaves lighter taste, medium tea leaves medium is strong taste, small tea leaves very strongest taste. This is tea dust. Compare with other teas, tea dust is low quality because it includes big leaves and little bit stems. Mostly outside supermarket tea bag including tea dust, but the strongest taste, quality wise low quality than the other teas. After size-wise spread in tea, we again separate according to the weight supporting this machine we call suction winnower machine. This machine consists bucket conveyor and central fan. Central fan working like a vacuum. After size-wise spread in tea, we apply here supporting the bucket conveyor. Even greater tea goes to the top of machine. Central fan suck the tea. Most heavier particles fall to the first shoot, but other heavier particles fall to the other shooters. Most heavier particles mean most younger tea is more moisture, sap than the other varieties. As an example, when we put here BOPT further categorized. BOP, premium quality, first quality, second quality, third quality, according to the weight. Different weight means different qualities. Different weight means different qualities. Premium quality. This is some grade of our final tea products. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other black tea varieties. Black tea and green tea come in same tea clone, but it has two different process basically. Main difference is black tea we produce with fermentation, green tea we produce without fermentation. This is OP. OP means orange pekoe, made out younger steps. We call wiry grades. This tea, when you put it in the hot water, just orange color.
Okay.
But not orange taste, very lighter taste black. This is FP. FP means flowery pekoe. This tea, when you put into the hot water, twisted tea leaves open as real leaf like a flower. Medium light taste black tea. These two lighter taste black tea, these two coming from pressed roller rolling tea leaves without pressure, no pressure, light taste character.
Okay.
This is BOP and this one BOPF. B stand for broken.
Okay.
Broken grades coming from second roller rolling tea leaves because it includes broken grades. Tea leaves
Okay.
and says broken is small
Yeah.
pieces. BOP means broken orange pekoe, medium is strong taste black tea. This is BOPF, broken orange pekoe panning. Panning means finest, is smallest. We call English breakfast tea. This one
Okay.
very strongest taste black tea. BOPF very strongest taste black. BOP better with milk. BOPF better with milk. Very strongest taste black.
Okay.
This is tea dust. Very strongest taste black tea. Tea dust coming from third roller rolling tea leaves because it includes all pressed particles. This is refuse tea, baby stems. We use as a compost back to the tea plant taste. These two world best tea, high demanded tea. This one golden tips and this one silver tips and this one green tea. Golden and silver 100% natural process, only dry by sun. That's it. Only dry by sun. Golden and silver we producing this only this tip like this. You can see. Only this tip dry by sun.
Okay.
Golden little bit strong, silver light taste but benefit same. Golden and silver reusable tea mat like this. One little pinch enough for a 1 teacup and same pinch reuse up 3 times same day.
Okay.
Again reuse. Golden, silver and green tea reusable. Little pinch enough for a 1 teacup and 80 degree hot water. Keep 3-4 minutes and after you can drink. And we again boil in the water. Keep 3-4 minutes and after you can drink. Same pinch reuse up 3 times same day. Again reuse. There is no need.
അപ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു തന്ന ശേഷം അവർ നമ്മളെ മുകളിൽ ഗസ്റ്റുകൾക്കൊക്കെ ഇരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് പോലെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവിടെ ഒത്തിരി ടൂറിസ്റ്റുകൾ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ തന്നെയാണ് ഔട്ട്ലെറ്റും. നമുക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ നിന്ന് വാങ്ങാം. അവർ നമുക്ക് ടീ ടേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് തരും. അത് ബ്ലാക്ക് ടീ ആണ് തരുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു പീസ് ശർക്കര കൂടി തരും. നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റാണ് അത് രണ്ടും കൂടി കഴിക്കാനായിട്ട്. കുറച്ചൊന്ന് ശർക്കര കഴിച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഈ ടീ ടേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. പല ടൈപ്പ് ടീ അവിടെ വാങ്ങാൻ കിട്ടും. എല്ലാം എക്സ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന സാധനങ്ങളാണ്. അവർ പറഞ്ഞത് 97% എന്തോ ടീയും എക്സ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിൽ ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് മാത്രമാണ് അവിടെ കൺട്രിയിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് നല്ലൊരു മണമാണ് ആ ഫാക്ടറിക്കകത്ത് കയറുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനൊന്നും മറക്കരുത്. അപ്പോൾ നല്ലൊരു വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. ബൈ.